Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show silence notifications on the lock screen for a focus mode on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. Now we swipe up to go down, and in here go down and tap on focus. Now tap on a focus that you want to change, and for this do not disturb, we go down and tap on options. Then in the silence notifications, tap on the toggle button on the show on lock screen. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or switch it off. Now select show silence notifications on the lock screen instead of in notification center. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.